How to add scene transitions in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open your project and arrange the clips you want to connect on the timeline. Make sure these clips represent different scenes or parts of your video. Next, go to the effects library located at the top left of the screen. Under the video transitions section, you will find various types of transitions like cross dissolve, dip to color, wipe, and more. After adding the transition, you can adjust its length by dragging the edges in the timeline, making the switch between scenes slower or faster depending on the mood you want. For further customization, select a transition and open the inspector panel. There, you can fine-tune the transition style, timing, and other settings to better suit the flow between your scenes. Finally, preview your video to ensure the scene transition feels natural and enhances the storytelling without distracting viewers. You can always replace or remove transitions as needed by right-clicking on them. And that's it. Now you know how to add scene transitions in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.